Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for watching my video presentation. It is great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Novi Sofia Fitriasari, and I am from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. The purpose of the presentation is present the result of our research with the title Play and Fun Portal to Support STEAM Learning Method in Early Childhood. The steps in this presentation video are the first introduction, the second related work, the third research method, the fourth result and discussion, and the last one conclusion. Current pandemic has changed education with the implementation of online learning from early childhood to higher level as the policy stimulated by Indonesian government. The implementation of online learning required PAU teachers to actively incorporate technology that is user-friendly and easily accessible to parents and children on virtual classroom. Yet, PAU teachers are still facing problems regarding how to upgrade their skills in utilizing computer. Another obstacle is in making interactive instructional video that are attractive to children and aligning the video with relevant topic in the classroom. STEAM is seen as an appropriate method for optimizing aspects of early childhood development, integrating science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics into a holistic educational process. STEAM is believed to be one of the most efficient learning methods. Furthermore, as it promotes children's curiosity and creativity, STEAM is considered suitable for early childhood education curriculum. The STEAM approach can also invite children to understand phenomena that are close to themselves of the environment and can encourage children to explore their ability in their own way. Obstacles faced by PAUD organizers and teachers also occur in Serang, Indonesia. Based on data gathered from questionnaires conducted by the Education Department of Serang, there is need for platform that contain interesting learning media, are user-friendly and not boring for children, informative according to the STEM method, and accessible to children. To address this issue, a learning portal was created with the name Play and Fun. The portal contains two main content, namely learning video that are science, STEM, and animation-based learning media application. The content is expected to support system learning. Research on portals that are used to support early childhood learning has been carried out with the relevant recent researchers. Research GoFund explain a portal or laboratory online GoLab which direct the child of early age to study the field of STEM. The portal can help teachers find, use, and enhance acquired learning online. Through the case study entitled Play and Fun Portal to Support STEM Learning Method, the researcher made a learning portal that is tailor-made for early childhood learners to give appropriate stimuli in supporting their development in the aspect of science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics through fun play activity. Play and Fun portal was created using the waterfall model stage. The application is made using Visual Studio Code, PHP language, Code Inactive Framework, and MySQL database. In this portal contain video learning and application of learning media that support the learning of STEM. The main component of an electronic platform to support STEAM-oriented learning must have an open system or learning, and the resources for teacher and enable interaction between student and teacher. Under this condition, Play and Fun portal is made to be website-based and accessible through the link http playandfun.site. Has resources in the form of video-based learning media and game that can be used by teachers in the learning process and provide frequently asked questions section to facilitate communication. You can see this picture is a user interface from Play and Fun portal. There are three users on Play and Fun portals, namely teacher, guests like student or parent, and of course admin. Utilizing various media such as internet, video, game, and model learning to build and convergent knowledge is a characteristic of STEAM. So, content from Portal Play and Fun are science learning video and animation-based learning media application. I will explain more about science learning video and animation-based learning media application. Okay, first, science learning video. Science learning video is one of the main content on Play and Fun portal. The videos are created by PG PAUD student UPI Serang as the product of science learning course for early childhood. The scenario in the created learning video must meet three parameters, namely introducing science, enhancing student multiple intelligence, and stimulating the five senses. At the stage of science, one of the skills show a teacher invites students to make observation, classification, measurement, communication, conclusion, and projection. Okay, and the second, I will talk about animation-based learning media application. You can see in this slide the picture of media application, Cashflow and Marine Biota. The learning media were created using Adobe Flash. Currently, Play and Fun Portal has two animation-based learning media applications, namely Cashflow Game and Marine Biota interactive learning media. Both media are specially made for children of 4 to 6 years old. For assessment of the content in the support of the learning process team for early childhood, we give one example video with the title Glass of Rainbow. You can see in the table time and skin related to STEM method. Okay, learning science is explained by the teacher model, the activity of story, the occurrence of the rainbow. Technology is reflective in the form of video practice theme glass rainbow, and engineering seen in the activity of the teacher model to stimulate the process of the occurrence of the rainbow with the experimental and model teacher suggested to the activity with the guidance of parent. Art seen in the activity of the teacher model name the color and sing the rainbow song. And mathematics is in the activity model teacher mention and sort the amount of composition of the color of the rainbow and comparing the size of the car. So the point are the Play and Fun portal can be used by the PAUD teacher, especially those who teach A and B grades in kindergarten. This portal can support teachers who want to implement STEM-based learning through the content of the portal, comprising of 11 science learning video and 2 animation-based learning media, namely Cashflow Game and Marine Biota interactive learning media. Thank you so much for your attention.